should never pay a debt collector because the debt does not belong to you anymore. It belongs to the debt collector.
If I got paid $1 for every time I heard that piece of advice, I don't think I'd have to work anymore. But here's why I would not take that advice. Let me show you something. So this is an example of a credit card agreement. Underneath the account default section, number 5 says that they can continue to charge you interest charges and fees as long as your balance remains outstanding. And then look at number 6, where they say they can file litigation against you. They can pursue other actions. And if they do file litigation, you agree to pay their court costs, expenses, and attorney's fees. And then if you go to the assignment section, it says that they can sell, assign, or transfer your account and this agreement without your permission or prior notice to you. Any assignee or assignees will take our place under the agreement. An assignee can be a debt collector or a debt buyer, and then you must compensate them and perform all of your obligations to them and not us. So that's why you have to be careful of what advice you listen to or take. Not all advice is good advice, and there's a lot of advice out here that will hurt you more than help you in your credit repair journey. So if I had a derogatory account, I would be looking at how it's reporting on the credit report. Are there any reporting errors? Is there anything about it that's reporting inaccurately or incompletely? According to the FCRA, you're entitled to a credit report that is 100% accurate. If you need help with all of this, go to my bio or go to the description or comments of this video. Click on my Linktree link and then see link 2. And then continue to follow me to learn more about credit.